So where can you get the freshest produce and home baked goods in Stuart, Florida? We're checking out the farmers market coming up. It is hot, but it's a beautiful day. We're having a great time. Well guys, we definitely had a great time at the farmers market at Downtown Stuart. We picked up some awesome stuff. We got some homemade muffins, we got homemade breads, really awesome hot sauce, some gourmet cheeses. We will share with you when we get home our haul, but if you're here, they have it every Sunday from 11 to 1 in Downtown Stuart, Florida. It is right on the water, and if you are here, we totally recommend that you come and check out the farmers market. Well, hey guys, we are back from the market, and as you could tell, there was tons of stuff to do there. I think all the vendors and all the small businesses getting together every Sunday down there in Downtown Stuart by the water is just a great way to build community and to spread your message about local businesses and products. You know, we always try to support local businesses as much as we can. And I think Copper had a good time too.
Copper had a really good time. Everybody was saying hi and petting him, talking about how cute he is.
He was totally a hit. So our first stop this morning was an awesome couple that makes homemade breads, and it was awesome. We picked up a blueberry lemon bread and a pumpkin bread, and they were really nice, and they go there every weekend.
Yeah, they're always there. They even have gluten-free breads available there too, and they got like zucchini bread and all kinds of stuff like that, but it's the season, so I grabbed some pumpkin bread.
That was great. Then the next thing we picked up were these homemade gourmet muffins.
She also had gluten-free versions of her stuff too, but what was that one? The blueberry?
This is a blueberry cinnamon one, and then we have the caramel apple pie one. So we're definitely looking forward at trying those out. And then we picked up some awesome hot sauce from a local person that makes her own hot sauce and bottles it here. So we're definitely looking forward to this. This is just a sweet chili sauce that we picked up. Can't ever go without picking up our favorite bag of kettle corn.
If you are ever there at that place, oh my God, he makes the best kettle corn I've ever had anywhere.
It is awesome. You will develop an addiction, I promise. And then we picked up some gourmet cheeses from Switzerland. So we're definitely looking forward to having these. These are awesome. I am. This is a 24-month aged Gouda, and then I also got a garlic and dill wedge as well. Well, guys, if you're ever in downtown Stuart on the historic downtown riverfront on Sundays, you definitely want to check out the farmers market. Live music, lots of vendors, tons of animals, very dog friendly.
Yes.
We had a great time.
Yeah, it was a lot of fun down there. There's so much to see, so much to do, and there's so many different things to get. I always try to pick up something different every time we go. That's why we got the muffins this time.
Yeah, so if you're looking for holiday gift ideas, why not buy local, and why not treat your family to some local delicacies?
Yeah.
So thanks for checking out our video, and remember, at Dishes and Stitches, we're putting the confidence back into cosplay.
Well, hey guys, thanks for checking out our video. If you want to see videos on cosplay, click on the link over here. And if you would like to subscribe for more videos, click on the link above. And if you'd like to see any makeup tutorials that we have here, click on the link over here.
Psych.